Hello guys, welcome to TECHHELPLINE. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to download Mailfence app on Android. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Mailfence is an encrypted email service that offers OpenPGP-based end-to-end encryption and digital signatures. It was launched in November 2013 by Contact Office Group, which has been operating an online collaboration suite for universities and other organizations since 1999. In order to use the features of Mailfence, you can download it on your Android device. First of all, you need to open Firefox on your Android device and type mailfence.com/m in the search bar of Firefox and click on Search. Now tap on the three vertical dots and tap on Install. After doing so, Mailfence icon will be added to your app tray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.